All right, we made it around the corner and got under the ladder. Becky finished this side up and got down here, and then I did the last bit. We still got some touch up. I'm gonna get one of those little door jamb sanders to do this finish work up along that orbital hand sander. Just won't get, up to these fittings in the best fashion. So here's what it looks like when it's dried out. There's a few wet spots still. It's so hot and humid up here that stuff takes forever to dry out. And like I said, a few silver places oxidized. I got up around the shore power the best I could. Again, that little finishing sander will probably do a better job. Plus I didn't want to unhook the shore power. I've got to do some work on this windlass switch anyway. We'll take care of that little bit. And then there's some caulking that needs to be repaired on this side. Not very much. And then this is the side that's really got the bad caulking. So we'll probably just go all the way down to the step, wherever that is, up here, and just get it all the way up to here. There's a few places where it's being caulked here. I don't really care for the lines or running over a little bit. We'll may pull some of that out and redo it as well. Still got to do some tidying up. We got the motors running just to bring them up to temperature and exercise them. Our reward, we've decided, is now that we've got the teak sanded for the most part, at least what I call rough. Next time we're up here, we're going to take the boat out as a little reward.